Hey everybody, Attorney Justin Lovely with MyrtleBeachBikerLawyer.com. I'm out here at 701 Customs. We are in the middle of our veterans bike build that we're going to give away and help raise money for veterans. And we haven't decided how we're going to do this, so we need your help. Are we going to auction it off? Should we raffle it off? Should we do a straight sale? They've been working really hard over the last few months, repainting everything, re-chroming everything out. I just got a sneak peek of the bike and it's going to be awesome. It really is.
We cleaned all up nice, we painted block fresh, the carb is rebuilt, we put here new chrome caps on, we rebuilt the front brake is rebuilt, so the front brake works. This will be the tank, what comes on here. When we're going to the end, we will see what is left.
Yeah.
Maybe like a leather, like a saddle leather or something. Let me see what we can do. Could be. So this one is the front fender. Put your star on. And that is
awesome.
I think that will look cool there.
Yeah.
If you want, we can put 4 screws in, then you have an idea how it looks. So, and this will be the back fender. I lay now only on.
That's awesome. That's gonna look great.
I told you, I think that will be a patriotic bike.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The American flag, the American soldier, the American hero. How you can make more patriotic in a bike?
Can't beat it.
That is what I'm thinking.
That's great. You got a good painter, man.
Yeah. What I told you, we try and get step by step to it, and it will be ready in the next 3-4 weeks.
I'm pumped. I'm excited to see the final product.